My name is Christine May, and I'm curator here at the Kelowna Art Gallery, and I'd like to welcome you to our new exhibition called Rise Fall. This exhibition features nearly 100 works of art from our permanent collection, including senior Canadian artists from across the country and many located here in the Okanagan. If you're interested in learning more about the works in this exhibition and the artists on display, please visit our reading nook located within the exhibition space to read more about the works.
My name is Clea Haugo. I'm the assistant curator and registrar at the Kelowna Art Gallery. I've been here for 11 years, and my role here is helping install the exhibitions, taking care of the permanent collection, storage, shipping, and all of those other things that go into working in a public art gallery. So one of the exciting things about a permanent collection exhibition is that you get to pull things out of the vault that the public doesn't get an opportunity to see, but also that we don't get an opportunity to engage with. In our case, we have an online collection, so you can see these works online, images of them, but they're thumbnail images. And so to see them in person here is very exciting for us. We have a lot of works on paper, and so in those cases, they would be pulled out of storage and hinged and framed. This wall in particular is a portrait wall. We really wanted to focus on the variety of portraits and styles that we have in the permanent collection. So we have some historical portraits, like this one here, which was done by Gwen Lamont and is of the first librarian of Kelowna. So it's a historical nod to the community, as well as we have a portrait by Anne Kipling that is an etching. So different materials and different styles.
The series you see behind me here is titled Rise Fall, which inspired the exhibition title. It's a series of work by artist Kathy Daly, who is originally from Ontario, and created large works of pastel on vellum. She really focuses on the female form, femininity, and movement in her work.
This is a painting by Gwen Lamont called Burnt Timber, Lytton. And what's interesting about pulling works out of the vault is that you sometimes find hidden surprises. So in this case, you have a work on the front, on the face, but then if you look at the reverse of this painting, you can see that the artist has used this piece of wood previously as a palette, probably reusing materials. Often artists did that in order to save money. So often in a permanent collection exhibition, we're bringing out works that haven't been exhibited previously. They've either been framed or hinged, in the case of these works here, or they are works that haven't been exhibited, and we discover that, again, the artist is reusing materials. For example, these are two works by Tony Only, and on the reverse of this etching, there is another etching. This painting is by Jim Tanner, and it's called The Interruption, and it's a great example of a piece that's much larger in person than what you would be used to seeing on the online collection. And it's done in a style similar to Caravaggio, so it's kind of nodding to Italian Baroque painting with use of chiaroscuro, so using light and dark to create dramatic shadows and to reference the history of art.